So I'm in the bush looking for herbs for malaria and typhoid. Really been feeling feverish. I've tried taking tablets and all of that, but it doesn't really work for me. So I am going to treat it the traditional way, and that will work. So I'm going to carry along for you to see the herbs I'm going to pick up, and now I'm going to combine them for malaria and typhoid. So come with me. I'm going about still checking for more herbs to add to my combination for complete malaria and typhoid herbs. I'm going to still update you guys with the next set of herbs and that I'm going to add to what I already have on ground. So at this point I'm looking for mango leaves, or perhaps the stem, but if I cannot get the stem, I just manage the leaves. But seems kind of far up the trees. If I climb this thing and come down, you did not video it well. It is you that will climb it. No. Hold it. How is it? Sometimes it's best to get pawpaw leaves from a more matured pawpaw plant, but those ones are very tall. I cannot get any of these leaves, so I have to manage this. Still smell the same. Still pawpaw. All right, just stay with me, guys. We're gonna mix them up. So, guys, now see the complete combo here. The pawpaw, the mango leaves, ginger and garlic, lemongrass, and pawpaw leaves. For now, I have this quantity. I need more. So let's go into the process of preparing it. So I'm about to set my fire. Truly speaking, I don't have kerosene in this house because I don't use kerosene, but I know other ways of making fire. So I'm going to use this to make the fire. I'm not going to start buying kerosene right now because I want to make fire. You know, see? Yeah. I can make fire with this one. I wait now, you see. After washing, I had to cut the. So guys, this one is very soft and has a lot of juice inside. I want to lick part of it. I'll lick part of it and still cut it open to the pieces I want, and then still boil it with the herbs. For How does it feel like to take lemon juice? Have you tasted it before? It's very good for the system. Go to Google, you see a whole lot of benefit of taking lemon juice. So guys, let's continue with our combo herbs. It's beginning to get hot, but not to the point where it can be taken. At this point, we'll have to bring it down. You have to avoid overboiling it. Just for the leaves to just leave it on, cut the colors, change the colors, and it's done. So guys, our herbs is done. So I'm going to go ahead and start taking for day 1. So I'm going to take full inside this glass for 3 days. That's six portions, 6 of this glass for 3 days, morning and evening. So as you can see, this is evening, so I'm going to take a glass and then continue from tomorrow morning and evening like that till I'm done with the dosage. So first dosage of my malaria and typhoid herbs is ready for this evening, but as you can see, it's very hot, so I'll let it come to cool before I can start drinking it, so I will not lose my tongue in the process of treating malaria and typhoid. So let it remain here for now. What will I answer if you ask me? If you ask me, who will I ask? What will I answer if you ask me? So we'll cover the pot till tomorrow morning, where we're going to warm it and continue taking our medicine. So I'm going to take this to the main house, to the mansion, and keep it there till it gets cool, and start taking our herbs. Brothers and sisters, I am done drinking it. Don't even think I poured it. I really needed this. So I'm done taking my cup for this evening. I'm not taking the dosage for today. I'll resume tomorrow morning, and I must tell you, my nose is wrong water like this. To my nose. Look at that.